Colourful send-off for slain PNP Councillor for the Southboro Division, Ainsley Parkins. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. It was a service of thanksgiving for the life of slain PNP Councillor for the Southboro Division, Ainsley Parkins, at the Portmore Seventh-day Adventist Church in St. Catherine on Sunday. Parkins, more popularly known as Tyson, was shot dead in his vehicle in the Southboro Portmore Division while overseeing the beautification works there in July. At the funeral, much top brass of the People's National Party came out to bid him farewell on Sunday. Head of the People's National Party opposition leader Mark Golin, and including Southboro St. Catherine Member of Parliament Fitz Jackson, were the two key figures at the service and spoke well of Perkins' career, his personal fearlessness, and his commitment to his endeavors of a course of a little more than the wider scale of local politics.
Even if you dislike Tyson for one reason or the other, they respected him. They respected him. Yes, he was fearless. Many would say overly so. He would say he needed to be fearless more. He would never relent in pursuing what he believes in. Tyson was murdered. You know why? Many of us talk the right talk, but many of us are not prepared to stand up behind that talk. Many, and that's why Jamaica is here this today. We speak from the convenience of our veranda or patio, but we are not prepared to come out front and defend that which we believe in. It is a terrible thing that has happened. The assassination of an elected official in our country. We call it murder, we call it this. But he was assassinated in the line of duty while working for the people on projects in his division as an elected official. And I've said it before and I'll say it again. It is the duty of the state to provide appropriate protection for those who put themselves in danger to serve the people. Risk assessments must be done and appropriate arrangements made to protect them.
This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.